Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Little bitch wanna be Gucci down. You pull out the stick, better shoot me now. Got us out of bed, now you want a movie now. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber Joy TV, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I'm going to do a eyelash tutorial and show you guys how I put on my eyelashes. And it's only a few things that y'all need to be able to put on eyelashes. So I don't know, it's gonna be like a really simple and really short tutorial. So I'm just gonna show you guys like what you may or may not need. So yeah, let's get to this video. Okay, so for starters, guys, you need eyelashes. So I have these cute lashes that I just got in the mail from Eyelash Beauty. I bought these eyelashes from an Instagram boutique. They sell eyelashes, and the company name is Eyelash Beauty. These are in the style Princess. These are the first ones I got from her. But these are eyelashes I'm going to be using. They're 25 mm because I like my little long eyelashes. I just started finding a love for longer eyelashes, so that's what I'm rocking with. So next thing y'all may or may not need, this helps a lot, but a lot of people don't really need it. Or I might show one side of me using it if I choose to. I'm not sure if I'm going to use my tweezers or just my hands, but these are eyelash tweezers that you can use to put on your eyelashes. They're in a curved shape of an eyelash. These are just plain tweezers that you can use. But these are some things people use to put on their eyelashes. This is like a random tweezer. They're not necessarily for eyelashes, but they can be used for eyelashes. The last thing that y'all need is glue. So I know my bottle's looking ghetto right now, but this is actually hair glue. Some black girls mainly use hair glue to put on their eyelashes. I have used it before because other eyelash glue hasn't really worked in my favors like that. So I've been drawn to hair glue because it stays on, especially when I'm at school for 8 hours. So it helps out a lot. And then the other one is called Duo Glue, and that it doesn't work really bad, to be honest. It works pretty good, and like it dries when it's clear. Like that's how I know it's like ready to be put on. Yeah, but let's just get started with this tutorial. Okay, so I got my eyelashes ready. Like I told y'all, these are the name. Well, I'm basically just peeling this off, you know. So a tip when you're putting on your eyelashes is to cut off the ends, like the ends of it, because it might be too long. And sometimes you have to like shape your eyelash to make sure it's going to be long enough. I need to just try it on and see how it fits. And you know, I already tried mine on. So another thing y'all need is a mirror. I'm not going to show my face up here, but another thing y'all need is a mirror. So I'm gonna try it on the eyelash, make sure everything's okay. And sometimes you have to go by the length of it. You see how it's short on this end and then how it's long on this end. You want the short end to be on your inner corner. Yeah, mine are long enough. I'm not gonna put them all the way, you know, but they're long enough. I'm just gonna go in with my Duo Glue for the sake of this video, because I don't know if I'm going to take these off right after this video. But now I'm going to apply the glue on my lash line. I'm going to wait till the eyelashes dry. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm back and I think my eyelashes are about dry. So I like this. I'm looking down at my, it's like curved like this. I'm looking down at this like this. And you're just going to apply it closest to your eyelash line. Okay, now it's time to move on to my other side. And I'm going to do the same thing, which is cut the sides off. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the lash glue onto the lash line just like I did on the other eyelash. A thin layer, guys, by the way. Just like this. And now we're just gonna let it dry. Guys, so it's time to put on the other eyelash. And then, okay, so I guess I'm up here now. So it's gonna be curved just like on the other eyelash when I did that side. And now I'm just looking up and applying the eyelash like so. I don't know if y'all can see my hand or what. So look, I got a little bit of glue on the other side, a little bit too much, but luckily I have the clear eyelash glue, so it's gonna dry clear, so it'll be gone soon. I'm just making sure it's glued down. But guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. That's really all you have to do to apply eyelashes. It's pretty simple. You just apply a thin amount of glue and make sure your eyelash is closest to the lash line as possible. Okay, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified next time I post a video. Bye.